This is the pilot speaking.
Yes, that's all right.
On behalf of Baby Mario 1130,
Yes, that's all right.
we are flying from Florida to Georgia.
We are flying to Georgia. You are correct.
Says my mom.
Yep. Says his mom.
This is the pilot speaking, YouTubers. On behalf of Baby Mario 1130, we are flying from Florida to Georgia. This is the very first flight ever from Florida. YouTubers, I just landed in Atlanta, Georgia. And now I'm taking an airplane ride.
Oh, train ride.
This is a train.
Train. It's a train, buddy. We've never been on one before.
Oh, this is my first train ride ever.
Yep.
First I took an airplane ride, now I'm going to take a train ride.
Two firsts in one day.
Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and watch your step as you exit.
Alright, folks.
Editing required. Yeah.
We are stopping,
At the train.
and here we are.
It's me. The
Please avoid
Two more lanes.
and cover your cough and sneeze. Use hand sanitizer if washing is not available. And remember to travel safe and smart through it.
We're entering in the tunnel.
Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and watch your step as you exit.
One more
The
stop.
next stop is for T-Gates. T as in Tango. Please remain on board for domestic baggage claim and ground transportation.
Here we go, folks. We are heading for one more stop.
Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Please remain on board for domestic baggage claim and ground transportation.
We are our stop. Don't forget to subscribe.
You guys going to baggage claim?
Yeah.
One more.
One more? Oh, okay. We're actually going to ground transportation. We got to go to car rental.
The next
Oh, it's
stop
one more.
is for
Okay.
domestic baggage claim and ground transportation.
Real loud.
Running around like
One more.
Oh.
Then when we get there, what do we look for? Ground transportation?
Upstairs, you see all the signs that's going out there.
Train.
Take us to
Please hold on.
09.
This train is
Gotcha.
departing.
Okay.
I think we just,
The next stop is for domestic
think I'm
baggage
wrong.
claim and ground
we're
transportation.
taking one more stop.
Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and watch your step as you exit.
Now that's our stop. Alright, YouTubers,
The next
don't
stop
forget to
is for
subscribe.
T-Gates.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
Tango.
After I take the train
and
ride,
Gateway Center Hotel.
now this is
Welcome
my
aboard
first
the
Sky
ATL
ride.
Skytrain.
No,
Please hold on.
this is my
This
first
train
Skytrain ever.
Next stop is GICC and Gateway Center Hotel.
Here we are. Here we go. Oh. I think we're gonna. I can see the airport. I mean, I can see the airplane. Those are a lot. YouTubers, those were a lot of first things I had to try. One, take an airplane ride. Two, take a train. And currently, number 3. The Skytrain. For those who've seen my video before riding on an airplane,
We are approaching GICC and Gateway Center hotels. Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please have all your
those who've
belongings
seen my
and watch your step
video
as you exit. Thank you for choosing Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport.
taking an airplane ride, before
This
taking
stop
an
services
airplane ride,
GICC and Gateway Center hotels. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Rental car customers, remain on board for the rental car center. Doors closing. Please
That's the
stand
first
clear
stop.
of the doors. Doors closed. Welcome aboard the ATL Skytrain. Please hold on.
folks,
This train
that
is
was the
departing.
first stop.
Next stop is the rental car center. Welcome aboard the ATL Skytrain. Please hold on. This train is
First
departing. Next stop is the rental car center.
Last stop is the rental car center. And folks, for those who see my video of me at the airport before going inside, first time we went to Georgia, out of Florida. Number 2, took a train ride, and now currently, like I said, I'm taking the Skytrain. And I think we're up to one more, hopefully one more Skytrain ride. One more stop. I mean, hopefully one more stop. We're going up
We
the
are
hill.
approaching the rental car center. Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please have all your
Here we are,
belongings
folks.
and watch your step as you exit. Thank you
Rental
for
car
choosing
center.
Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. We are approaching the rental car center. Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Thank you for choosing Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport.
And thank you for riding on the airplane, train, and the Skytrain. Hope you enjoyed the video. On behalf of Baby Mario 1130, subscribe to the channel right here.